Tokyo Station, and we're trying to find the Tokyo Ramen Street because they have like some of the best ramen here.
Yeah, I'm just sorry. I'm just like overwhelmed because
Candy's really overwhelmed that she can't calculate
can't really
anything. But yeah, I mean, here's like the beginning of it. We've heard that it's really hard to find and it's like complicated. So, but I think we're pretty much there. So we're just gotta,
almost there.
We're just gonna go find it now.
Yeah.
Oh, here's the character street. This is the character street. There's like so much going on. I just want to go there. Let me try this. Tokyo Ramen Street はどっちの方？
こちらまっすぐ進んでずっとまっすぐです。ありがとう。
Candy's like, screw this. I'm so done. I don't even want to find this place anymore. So we found Tokyo Ramen Street and gonna find the best place to go. Okay, so here's where it starts. Tokyo Ramen Street. There's a line here.
That does sound really good.
Ooh, yeah. Look at how much green onions are in that thing. That's like crazy amounts. A lot of people in line for this one. That was really stressful ordering ramen. We didn't record it because we were like so stressed out. But it's like, I don't even know how like non-Japanese people can order ramen here because it was so complicated.
Yeah, because even the guys, were like, can you help us? And they didn't know how to do it.
Yeah.
So we were all trying to figure it out.
But we got it. You just have to order it beforehand at the machine, and then you line up in this next line here. Ramen with all the green onions really got to us, so that's why we chose that one. But they're actually kind of known for their cow tongue. Not really a cow tongue fan, but I'll try it.
I like cow tongue.
Yeah. I don't know if I think I've had it before, but I've had like good kinds, which is like really, it's pretty good. But then you get like the cheap kind, which is like terrible. So I think the last time I had it was like cheap, so ever since then I haven't had it. But.
So we got the green scallion salt ramen.
Yep.
And
with cow tongue.
With cow tongue. Usually they put like pork slices, like pork butt, but they're famous for the cow tongue. So let's see how good it is.
Oh, look, like we're right next to somebody. We got our ramen. So this is the shio gyudan ramen, right? So it's the, or shio negi gyudan ramen. So it's like green onions and salt and that's the cow tongue. And then Candy got like regular soy sauce ramen, the shoyu ramen.
Yeah, with pork. We're just gonna share because we wanted to try both flavors.